Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this giant office chair from SWEETCRISPY. Beautiful, actually. My goodness, what a fantastic looking chair here. What am I at? 42 minutes. Oh, I apologize, my friends, but I think this thing's gonna be worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, plenty of room here. Okay, I can put those up nicely there. This is like, after all that work, just like relaxing in this thing is super cozy. All right, let's test this out here. What do I got on my different things here? Okay, so that goes up and down right there. So this is lift. So I lift that. Oh wow. Now that is really nice. My feet aren't touching the ground though. I'm just gonna go down a little bit. This chair is just like, does it rock too a little bit? Okay, and not only that, this part comes out as well. Okay, this is really comfortable. More like a lounge chair than like an office chair. This is like super. Look at this, like really the padding on here is crazy soft. And just kind of relax here, put your feet up, take a nap in this thing easily. How far back does it? Whoa, okay, goes back up. And then you push it back if you want to, and then you just lock it in place with the lever. Just push it down to go back, and then lift it up, and then it goes to however you want. So you can just use it like a rocking chair if you want. Just kind of rock back and forth, or you press that lever down and you can lock it into whatever position you want to. So that's super cozy. And then this lever goes up and down as well. What other features does this thing have other than being like amazingly comfortable? Okay, raise lower, rocking to lock it. Okay, and then you can, with that screw, that big giant handle on the bottom, you can turn that and either increase or decrease the tension. So if you want to rock gently or whatever, or easier, then you can do that. But my friends, I mean, just look at this thing. You can see the padding on here. It's just incredibly soft and cushioned. I put this little pillow down here for extra lumbar if we want, or even up over the top here. Man, this is crazy comfortable, really nice. I like how these are adjustable as well. So I'm working on my keypad. If those are a little high or too low, then these can be adjusted as necessary. This little portion comes out, fits right on the calves there, feels really nice, and just tucks away super easily, just like that. You wouldn't even know it's there. Oh my goodness. And then that is just really comfortable. And then right back up here. So here we go. Let's, yeah. I'm super impressed with it, my friends. Really, really nice office chair here. This is going to be my new chair. I had a gaming chair. It was comfortable, but I mean, you just get, this is on another level. So you can see just how cushiony and soft this thing is. Really impressed with it. Rolls nicely on my floor here. Feels super solid, really well built. Doesn't feel like I'm going to fall over either. Some are like you lean back a little bit and like, whoa, is it going to go over backwards? Not with this one. The wheels are a nice distance apart, so it doesn't feel like I'm going to fall over or anything. Really good chair, my friends. Super comfortable. Really happy with it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Sorry it was a little long on the full assembly there, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see y'all next time.